Lula, what are you doing? Feed the dogs? You can put a scoop in the bowl. You want to feed Jack? Good job. More. More. More, yes. It's okay. Jack will get it. All right. More for Jack. Let's put more for Jack, please. Good job, baby. Okay, let's put the scoop away. You put the lid on? Yeah, I think Kitty might be hungry too. Do you need help with that? Good job. Good job. Just click it. Okay, can you go put Jack's bowl in his crate? Here, grab it. Can you grab it? You got it. Okay, take it to Jack. Good job, baby. Okay, you want to feed the kitty? Should we let the dogs in? You want to come open the door? It's okay. You tell him sit. Say down. Say all the way. Okay, go to the door. Go to the door, baby. It's okay. You're going to tell him. Say sit, Jack. Say down, Jack. Say all the way. Good job. Now, open the door. Tell him, okay. Say real loud. Say, okay. Okay. Come on, Towns. Okay. Let's go feed Mr. Burns.